Want to start selling on Amazon to build a sustainable $10,000 a month income working from home? Becoming a successful Amazon seller has never been easier. We have created an Amazon Sellers Bundle to guide you through 6 simple steps that will get you to this path. Learn how to find a profitable product, source it, and sell it on Amazon with the AMZScout Sellers course. Find and validate profitable product ideas to identify a product worth selling. Get guaranteed niches and products with extremely high potential delivered to you every week. This is an AMZScout exclusive feature, only available with an annual subscription. Find the best keywords for your listing and PPC campaign to attract customers. Monitor the effectiveness of your PPC and keep an eye on the competition to respond to any listing or pricing changes. The Amazon Sellers Bundle has all the tools and know-how that you need to launch and grow your Amazon business. There are 6 steps in this journey to profit. Step 1. Learn how to sell on Amazon with the AMZScout Sellers course. Over 100,000 sellers have kicked off their businesses with our course. It covers everything that a seller needs to make money on Amazon, including how to find a profitable product, finding suppliers and private label products, listing and PPC marketing campaigns, other aspects of selling. Our course shows you what you need to do and exactly how to do it with our tools so that you have a clear picture and are ready to act. Step 2. Choose a product to sell on Amazon. There are 650 million products on Amazon. Which one should you sell? Only 1% of all products are profitable. How do you pick a product that works? Simply go to our product database and look for a product, using filters to sort by price, weight, estimated sales, reviews, revenue, keywords, etc. This will help you select from a short list of products. Add products you like into the tracker to always have access to them and their fresh daily statistics. Step 3. Check the value of a niche. So you have a list of ideal products. However, products don't exist alone. They have a niche and competitors. You have to know trends, sales volume, and quality of competition to be fully ready to succeed. See whether niches you have in mind are doing well or are going to eat up your investment. Pro Extension instantly shows you if a product niche is profitable or not. This drastically cuts the amount of research that is needed. You will be able to check every product in the niche for the following: sales volume and daily sales history for the past year, so that you can see if the niche and its products have had stable sales throughout the year. You can also check on seasonality and more. Best seller rank. A rank of a product in its category that reflects its sales in that category. The smaller the rank, the better. The best numbers in categories such as baby are 1 to 30,000. This means that the product is great and always has sales. So if there are several products with low ranks in a particular niche, you have found a niche that is in great demand. Reviews. It's great if a niche has just a few reviews on average, but a lot of sales. It means that products here don't need a lot of reviews in order to get sales. So what you need to find is a niche where at least some sellers on top have less than 300 reviews. Revenue, prices, and margins. Look at average prices. They should be more than $15 to leave you room for margins. The revenue should be higher than $3,000, and make sure to pay attention to net margin. The cost of products and FBA fees should not eat up all your profit. So look at FBA fees and a profit calculator, as they will help you do your accounting up front. Listing quality. Look for niches with low quality listings. This way you will have easy entry into the niche since you will be able to make a better listing. Date when a product launched. Be careful when entering a niche with only new products from 2020. It can be a niche with a short life cycle. Choose niches with both old and new products. A niche score with an AMZScout's expert evaluation of the niche. To make sure you don't forget to consider all the aspects of your niche, we created AMZScout evaluations with clear explanations of every aspect, so you can always double-check yourself. It also gives you other parameters you can use to identify a product with low competition and enough profitability to bring you $10,000 a month. Exclusive Amazon Insights. This part of the bundle is a ready-to-go niches and products that are in the top 1% delivered to you by email every week. Every month, you will receive 2 niches and 2 products that are the absolute strongest out of 500,000 niches. So once a week, you'll get a product or niche that is in the top 1% of opportunities in their category. That adds up to 52 fantastic potential product launches in a year. The market value of this exclusive research alone is $499. Less than 5% of niches can grow your business. The rest will lose you money. This is why we put our 4 years of experience and expertise into developing incredible AI. It allows us to analyze over 100,000 products at a time. You can find ready-to-go niches and products that overperform in parameters like revenue, growth pace, and sales velocity. So you will spend 0 time on research and can launch new profitable products faster. Step 4. Source your product. So you have selected a fantastic product. Congrats, now you've got to source it. Sellers often think it's tricky to source products. With Pro Extension, you can click on Alibaba and it will take you to a sourcing website specifically for the products you are looking at. How to negotiate with suppliers, get a private label product and ship it are all covered in our course. Step 5. Reach your customers. Finally, you can sell the product and make a profit. How will customers find your product? How will you attract their attention and make them realize your product is what they need? The right keywords and a quality listing will help customers find and appreciate your product. Use ASIN keyword lookup to track competitors' keywords and instantly move up to their level. Plus, Keyword Explorer allows you to find even more keywords relevant to your product and give you an edge over competitors. You need the right keywords for a listing's title, bullets, description, back-end keywords, and PPC campaigns. This will allow customers to find, appreciate, and buy your product. To make sure your listing is high quality, use the Pro Extension Listing Score and get tips on how to improve it. Step 6. Stay ahead of the market. Once you launch, it's hard to tell if PPC is growing your natural position in an Amazon search. So you might be spending money on PPC when it's unnecessary. Keyword Tracker shows your product's natural ranking for its keywords, so you can stop advertising when the product is on top. It also helps advertise using the keywords that rank well naturally, and so you pay less per sale for ads. Everyday Sellers Helpers. With the AMZScout Amazon Sellers Bundle, you also get perks that help you to do research faster and get an edge over the competition. With Quick View, you can see product data right on the Amazon page. See if the products you like are sold by Amazon or FBA, and get other insights. There is no need to pull up the extension every time. Find out your future FBA and other fees to see the profit you will make on a given product. Make sure your margin is large enough to make a profit after all costs. FBA Calculator. You don't know the exact real sales even if the BSR and sales estimations of a product are good. Using stock stats, you can see day-to-day stock changes as well as learn about real sales velocity and out-of-stock occurrences. Kickstart a $10,000 plus per month online income. Click the link below to get the Sellers Bundle.